identify the real.
Welcome to Victory Study Point.
In this video we are going to discuss on some very important questions. And these questions are related to today's current affairs.
Please watch full video for better understanding.
So guys, you are most welcome in our YouTube channel, The Victory Study Point. And today we will discuss 5 PIL cases that changed India. Now PIL means Public Interest Litigation. So let's see in brief about PIL. Public Interest Litigation refers to a litigation undertaken to secure public interest and demonstrates the availability of justice to socially disadvantaged parties. And it was introduced by P.N. Bhagwati. And also it is a relaxation on the traditional rule of locus standi. Now I want to tell you about rule of locus standi. Rule of locus standi tells that what is your standing or position in the court. Okay, and just like दो हमारे पड़ोसी हैं, दो पति पत्नी हैं, वो आपस में लड़ते रहते हैं, झगड़ते रहते हैं, तो हम जाते हैं कोर्ट में कि जज साहब इनको तलाक दे दो. Then they will say, who are you? आप कौन हो? Okay, आप होते कौन है उन्हें तलाक दिलवाने वाले? So rule of locus standi further tells that strangers are get out of the court. Only those who are concerned, who have rights or liabilities should be present in the court. अगर आपको उनसे कोई लेना देना नहीं है तो आप कोर्ट में नहीं जा सकते कि उनको तलाक दिलवा दो. Okay, now we will see the 5 cases that changed India. Case number 1, Sheila Barse versus State of Maharashtra 1983, and it is about separate police lockups for women. Okay, so let's see in detail. This resulted in an order facilitating separate police lockups for women convicts in order to shield them from further trauma and brutality. Now we will see second case, MC Mehta versus Union of India. It is regarding pollution in the Ganga, and it tells this judgment delivered on January 12, 1988, lashed out at civic authorities for allowing untreated sewage from Kanpur's tanneries making its way into the Ganges. And it is known as beginning of green litigation in India. Beginning of green litigation in India. Now we will see third case, and it is Indira Sahni judgment. Indira Sahni judgment 1992, and it is about 27% reservation for backward classes. In November 16, 1992, the Supreme Court responded to a PIL filed by lawyer Indira Sahni and introduced 27% reservation for backward classes in posts and service under the Government of India Act. Now we will see fourth case, when the court kept its distance from policy decisions, and it is Executive versus Judiciary 2001. Supreme Court said public interest litigation was not meant to be weapon to challenge the financial economic decisions which are taken by the government in exercise of their administrative power. When NDA won decision to sell 51% stake in Balco was challenged by PIL. Now we will see fifth case. It is the 2G judgment, Executive versus Judiciary 2012. This was the result of separate PILs by Subramanian Swamy and Prashant Bhushan, and it embarrassed the UPA government, though some saw it through the prism of judicial overreach. that did not stop the court from scrapping 122 2G licenses. I hope guys ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा.
Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep moving, and please subscribe to our channel for more updates.